part of this paper also, and I have sent you. I think you have all joined the classroom. आप सबने classroom join कर लिया है ना? I think I have already sent the figure in the classroom. So have you got it? The figures have you got it, which I have sent in the classroom?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So all of you have got the have received the figures which I have already sent in the classroom, right? Okay. So yesterday we have discussed थोड़ा करा ही दिया था almost. We have discussed the meaning of the OB. What is it basically? Why it is? What is the purpose? We need to be talk about the OB whenever we will have to start the organization. So OB is very important topic which we will have to be discussed. ठीक है, because whenever you want to be study the OB, so it means you want to be like study the human being behavior. So that's why we need to be talk about the OB, okay? Because it helps, as you have, I think that the slide is visible, class. The screen is visible to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So this is the intro part, I think, which you can see from the slide. Okay. So it means understanding of the aspects and that can motivate the employees. मान लो if कहीं कुछ है, कोई performance is not good किसी भी employees का, so with the help of the whenever you understand one's behavior, so definitely yes, कुछ wrong होगा तो तुम ये कह सकते हो ये चीजें अगर आप अपने में improve करोगे तो that would be better mood in your career, that kind of thing. Okay. So this is related to basically OB. It means you will have to understand one's behavior. Those who are working like एक साथ organization में जो काम करते हैं. It is clear. So this is the intro part. The study of the organizational behavior gives insight of how employees behave and perform in the workplace. Okay. और कल आपको बहुत सारा कुछ करा दिया था. Okay. And it helps to develop an understanding of the aspects that can motivate, increase their performance, and help organizations establish a strong and trusting relationship with their employees. Okay, so this is some like intro part of the organizational behavior, and we have already started yesterday. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. Okay, so yes, what is the organizational behavior and its features? So yesterday we have discussed ना. Now tell me, क्या discuss किया था कल? I think I have given you some points also yesterday. I have given you points also now yesterday about the OB, because today we need to talk another thing about this paper, about the models, about the personality. We need to be talked today. There are so many things we will have to be discussed in this paper. पर जो features थे वो तो कल मैंने करा दिए थे. What are the features? Basically, with the help of the points, you can say that it is a field of study, levels of analysis. Okay, ये सारे points have you noted? Have you noted the points which we have discussed yesterday? Points note किया आपने जो कल discuss किया था हमने? So please try to note down the points. तो कल मैंने points बताया ना, please try to note down the points. Okay, which we have discussed yesterday. So it means whenever we will have to talk about, ये तो simply बस मैंने बताया है इस slide में, पर points तो कल मैंने बता दिए थे. So it means organizational behavior applies a humanistic approach ना towards the people working in the organization, and it is, you can say that it deals with the thinking and feelings of the human being. And organizational behavior is based on the belief that people have an innate desire to be independent, creative, and productive. Okay, that's why we need to be discuss about concern for the effectiveness. We have discussed yesterday. Human tool, yes, very important, because organizational behavior is a human tool for the human benefit. Okay, important, and sometimes it is an art. Okay, so let's move to the another slide. So we need to be talked about, so the basic levels of the analysis in the organizational behavior are individual level, yesterday we have discussed now, 3 levels हैं इसके, group level and organizational system level. Actually all are interrelated, so that's why it is called as interdisciplinary approach. So that's why it is called as interdisciplinary approach. Okay, so whenever we will have to be discuss about ना, this is related to what, ये है determinants of the organizational behavior. So ये basic levels of like analysis है in the organizational behavior which are related. You have already discussed in features also. जैसे the features है levels of organizational behavior. Under the features you discuss like organizational behavior involves 3 levels of analysis of behavior. So these are some 3 levels which are you can add in the features also. Okay class, are you getting what I am saying? समझ में आ रहा है आपको? Are you getting now what I am saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good, good. The main thing is what you will have to be understand. What I am saying, you should understand. Okay, so these are some levels. Now we are moving towards the next slide, basically because these are important things we have discussed yesterday. ठीक है ना, कल करा दिया था आपको. Let's move to the another topic. ठीक है. So what is an example of the organizational behavior? So yes, these forms of behavior are proactive in nature and the activity to improve the situation for the individual, group or organizational level. ठीक है. So examples of these behaviors include जैसे issue selling, taking initiative, like for any activity, if you want to take initiative, okay, or constructive change oriented communication, and then innovation, then proactive socialization. So basically these are related to some, these are some examples of the organizational behavior which is related to the selling. जो selling it means आप अपने thoughts को sell कर सकते हो, इसलिए if you want to be take initiate किसी भी काम को स्टार्ट करने के लिए यू विल हैव टू टेक सम इनिशिएटिव, इसमें स्टार्टिंग तुमसे हुई है, दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग. then yes, you want to be like start with some change orientation. So change oriented communication, whenever you want to implement some new methods or technology in the management, so yes, you want to be initiate first of all, and yes, then you can change in the management. Okay, so this is related to the basically example of the organizational behavior. Now next is related to what? Now we need to be discuss the important things जो आज discuss करनी है, like what are the types of organizational behavior. So yes, these are called as models also. You can say that models of organizational behavior. So please write down in your notebook models of organizational behavior. So yes, we will have to talk about the models of organizational behavior. There are so many models. Whenever the question will be asked now, what are the models? So yes, these are called as the models of organizational behavior. Is clear? So under the model, first of all, you will have to be start with autocratic model. It means leadership आपने पढ़ी होगी ना. It's related to the leadership. It means autocratic model. ठीक है. Then custodial models. These are very very important mod. Actually, the question will be definitely asked from these models. Okay. So class intro का थोड़ा chapter तो we have done it. This is given. Actually, we will have to move to the next chapter. This is related to the models. So you can write down in your notebook the models of organizational behavior. Okay. So models are related to autocratic model है, ठीक है, custodial है, supportive है, collegial model and system model. Okay. So whenever we will have to talk about the models, or you can say that these are the types of the models under the human under the organizational behavior. Okay. So organizational behavior is the study of human behavior in an organization which is shaped by interactions among the individual groups in the organization. आर यू गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? समझ में आ रहा है आपको? माय वॉइस इज क्लियर? मैं ऑडिबल क्लियरली क्लास? So class, whenever you want to be draw a diagram, na models of the organizational behavior. So yes, you write down in like एक circle बनाओगे, then you draw the models and then all the basically 4 models हैं इसके जो important है: autocratic, then custodial, supportive and collegial model. So basically the models of organizational behavior survives around 4 models. So these are called as the types of the models in the organizational behavior. Now we will have to talk about the autocratic model. As you know, autocratic leader की तरह ये model भी है. It means this model depends on the power of the boss. You can say that. This model related to the depends on the power of the boss. So you have any idea regarding autocratic leader? पढ़ा था ना तुमने? Yes, unmute yourself and answer me, class. Please unmute yourself. Because it is an interaction class, you will have to tell something, na? Yes, Kushal, tell me. Where is Tanya? Tanya is here. Yes. बताओ, लोकेश, Kashish, tell me, what do you mean by autocratic leader? Simply I am asking you about the leadership. पढ़ा होगा ना तुमने? My voice is clear? I am audible clearly or not? You write down in chat box if my voice is clear. Yes, class, you write down in chat box if I am audible clearly. क्योंकि मैं जब मेरी आवाज नहीं आएगी तो आप आंसर कैसे दोगे? Oh, it's clear ना? Yes, Mohit, tell me, what do you mean by autocratic leader? फिर simply as like a autocratic leader था, वैसे autocratic model है.
Ma'am, like one man decision.
Yes. And for example,
Like a dictator.
yes. It means what? Like it means you can say that one boss or all the employees follow the boss. Okay. So yes, all the powers in one hand. Yes, you can write down your answer. You can write down in chat box also. It is clear. So this is related to the autocratic model. भी ऐसे ही है कुछ. Okay. So autocratic में all the power is in one hand. It means you can say that this model depends on the power of the boss, or it means you can say that who are the boss, who are in the command must have the power to demand the performance from the employees, or in basically in autocratic environment. Now what happens? The managerial orientation is official authority. The managerial orientation is official authority. So basically this authority is delegated by the right of the command over the people to whom it applies. So management जो है वो believe क्या करता है? So management believes that it knows what is the best, and that employees and obligation is to be follow orders. Basically this one. This is called as autocratic model. Okay. So organization with an autocratic environment is authority oriented, and management believes that it is the best judge to determine what is better for the health of both organization and its participants. So this is all about, it is same as the autocratic leader की तरह ही autocratic model है. Okay, so you can say that under the autocratic model of the organizational behavior, because we are talking about the organizational behavior, the employees, the orientation is obedience to the boss. You just note down एक line, एक sentence please note down करो. Note down one line कि orientation is obedience to the boss. They need not be respectful to him. So it means under autocratic model, the employees' orientation is the obedience to boss. अब इतना याद रहेगा तो basically so definitely you can write down the answer. So autocratic model now has been successful in situation where the workers are actually lazy and have a tendency. It means बस इतना याद रखो. This model is very like helpful where the employees are very lazy. They don't want to do work. तो वहाँ पे autocratic model जरूरी है. It means autocratic leader जरूरी है. It means like power of the boss very important in that kind of organizational behavior or organizational environment, you can say that. Are you getting what I'm saying? Now we will have to discuss about but now basically nowadays the autocratic model is not applicable in the strict sense because there are minimum wage laws in the most of the countries. Okay, so therefore the managers cannot threaten to cut down the wages. ऐसा कुछ नहीं कर सकता और rewards of the workers भी नहीं, मतलब like कुछ भी cut नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, because there are so many laws like आ गए हैं आजकल. Okay, so this is related to basically the autocratic model. Any doubt under autocratic you can ask me. I think there should not be any doubt. Okay ना? So जैसे this is related to the autocratic. It means जो lazy person है वहाँ पे autocratic जो model है वहाँ तुम अप्लाई कर सकते हो in the organization, because we are talking about the organization. What is like which model is good for the organization you can apply. It is clear class. So it means where there is a organization जहाँ पे जो भी मॉडल अप्लाई हो रहा है वहाँ पे आप वो मॉडल अप्लाई करोगे in the organization. This is the basic funda of the. That's why we need to be talk about the model. Okay. Then let's move to the custodial model. Okay, because all the models are given here. If you want to be note down, you can note all the model types of models, and these are the models of organizational behavior. So under the custodial model, it means what? These are not like yes, all are very like threatened. The persons are very like they are not interested to do the work. So for this kind of workers, we need to talk about the autocratic leader. पर वहाँ पे where there is autocratic, so it means यहाँ पे जो how can you welcome the suggestions of the employee? So to overcome the shortcomings of the autocratic model, the custodial model came into existence. It means yes, थोड़ा think about करना for the human being, for the employee. Okay, so that's why we need to talk about the custodial model. It means custodial model is what? It is the model to the overcome from the shortcomings related to the autocratic model, and custodial model then came into existence. थोड़ा सा जिसमें भी power है थोड़ा कम करने के लिए we need to discuss about the like custodial model. It means otherwise ऐसा होगा कि insecurities हो जाएगी employees में. Okay, frustration हो जाएगा. Okay, so the insecurities and frustration felt by the workers under the autocratic model. So that's why we need to talk about the custodial model. It means ये जो फीलिंग्स है रिगार्डिंग द इनसिक्योरिटीज एंड फ्रस्ट्रेशन उसको ओवरकम करने के लिए वी विल हैव टू बी establish a model. It means in the organizational behavior a model will be established, or that model is called as custodial model. Okay, so it has some features also. Custodial model has some features also. Are you getting class what I'm saying? Please write down. If you want to write down, you can write down. थोड़ा थोड़ा आप points note कर सकते हो, so that the points will be helpful for you. Okay, so you can say that जैसे the custodial model emphasize or focuses the economic rewards and benefits. It means custodial model में जो employees ज़्यादा काम कर, जो employees जो lazy हैं वो तो कोई बात नहीं, जो employees are more efficient worker को यहाँ पे हम reward भी देंगे. Are you getting what I am saying? Under the custodial model. So that's why the custodial model focuses on the economic rewards and benefits to the employee. So since the employee's psychological needs are already met, okay, and the employer looks to security needs as motivating focus. Or under the custodial model, the employees are satisfied and happy क्योंकि थोड़ा उनको रिवॉर्ड और बेनिफिट मिल रहा है अंडर द कस्टोडियल मॉडल. ओके, बट दे आर नॉट स्ट्रांगली मोटिवेटेड, therefore they give only passive cooperation. Okay, so they do not work more like under the autocratic. वहाँ पे ज्यादा काम नहीं कर सकते थे, यहाँ पे थोड़ा काम करते हैं. क्यों? Because they think yes, if you work more then definitely we will get reward or award, that kind of thing, or gift. Is clear? Or you can say that under the custodial model, the workers feel secure under the management. Are you getting class? Any doubt you can ask me. जो मैं बता रही हूँ आपको समझ में आ रहा है? Because I'm just talking about what is the model, what are the types of model which are given in the organizational behavior paper. Okay. So whenever we will have to talk about the custodial model, so the employees under the custodial model depend upon the organization rather than their boss. Okay, but under the autocratic, they are depend on the boss. Okay, so why? Because if the organization has got sufficient welfare and development programs for the employees, so they cannot afford to leave the organization. It means ज़्यादा if you are giving more facilities to the employees, being a manager, being a company, so like yes, definitely the employees are satisfied with the company and they don't want to leave the company or organization. Okay, so this is all about the custodial model. Another one is supportive. Any doubt you can ask me. Under the supportive model, yes, the supportive model basically it is the principle of supportive relationship. अब ये है ही कुछ ऐसा supportive model. It means what? You can say that the leadership and the other processes of the organization must be such and ensure that the maximum probability, जो probability है, that in all the interactions and all the relations with the organization. So each member will, in the life, his background, values and experience with the like you can say that view the experience as supportive and one which builds the maintains his sense of the personal worth or importance. Don't मतलब यहाँ personal, यहाँ पे personal नहीं है, हर कुछ personal है. Okay. So it means you can say that the supportive model depends on the leadership. Full supportive आ जाएगा, कि support करने के लिए employees को आ जाएगा. That's why this is called as the supportive model. Okay. So the supportive model depends on the leadership instead of power or money. पर वहाँ पे money था ना, benefit और reward था in the custodial model. Autocratic model में you have studied about the power of the boss. Okay. But in the supportive model, the employees are depends on the leadership. Okay, so by providing the supportive leadership, the managers try to create a favorable organizational climate जो है वो अच्छा बन जाएगा. Okay, in which the employees are helped to grow and their greater capacity or they want to achieve their goal for in the organization. Okay, so basically supportive model, that's why supportive model established only to support the employee. ये supportive model क्यों आया? Only to support the employee. So basically whenever you want to say about the supportive model, so it is the orientation of the management to support the employees job performance rather than simply giving them economic benefit as the custodial approach or custodial model. Are you getting class? If you want to write, please write down. If you want to write now, please write down. I'm clear. My voice is clear. I'm audible clearly. Yes, I'm audible clearly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yes, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. So we are talking about the supportive model because ये दो models है, because earlier we have discussed about the autocratic model and after that we move towards the custodial model. Okay, it means under the custodial model they attract the employees towards the money. With the help of the money they want to be attract the employees towards their work. Okay, but यहाँ पे motivation नहीं है. They are not motivated or they are like the achievement जो growth and development यहाँ पे नहीं हो रहा of the employees का. Okay, are you getting what I'm saying? So yes, so another model came into existence, that is called as supportive model. Yes, under the supportive model, the management assumes that the workers will take the responsibility, okay, and make their contribution and improve themselves if a chance is given. Okay, so it is assumed that the workers are not lazy and work like वो lazy नहीं है. Okay, and if properly motivated, so they can be self-directed and creative. So these are all happen in the supportive model. अभी supportive model का जैसे explanation तो मैंने अभी आपको दिखाया नहीं इसमें slide में, screen में नहीं दिखाया, but yes अभी I think जितना बता दिया है, so this is sufficient for you to understand what is the meaning of the model which are given under the organizational behavior model. Autocratic वो तो name से पता है, custodial बता दिया आपको, overcome whenever you want to be overcome from the autocratic model, you will have to be jump to the custodial model. Okay, and then again is like about the autocratic model, about the custodial model we have done it. ठीक है, so after इन दोनों से आगे जो है next step is called as supportive model. Okay, so you can say that ना conclusion में आप ये बता सकते हो कि the supportive model is an improvement over the earlier two models. You can say that supportive model is an improvement over the earlier two models. So supportive behavior helps in creating friendly, it means like superior subordinate interaction with a high degree of the confidence and trust. So you can say that the supportive model has been found to be effective होगा, okay, or affluent countries where the workers are more concerned about their psychological needs, जैसे like self-esteem, job satisfaction, etc. So वहाँ पे supportive model use होगा. Okay class, or you can say that जो supportive model है ना, take care of the psychological needs. जो तुमने मैकग्रेगर की theory Y में पढ़ा होगा. McGregor has given two theories. Sorry, theory X, theory Y. So supportive model basically based on theory Y. It means it is the theory Y is the foundation of supportive model. पढ़ा होगा ना तुमने theory Y, what is McGregor's की two theories थी, theory X and theory Y. तुमने पढ़ा होगा third semester में I think. मैनेजमेंट प्रिंसिपल में पढ़ा होगा, मैकग्रेगर की थ्योरी। और अगर थोड़ा सा मैंने मोटिवेशन में करा दिया होगा, अगर आई थिंक आई टॉट यू HRM, तो थोड़ा सा मोटिवेशन में कराया होगा, बट एक्चुअली दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट प्रिंसिपल। आर यू गेटिंग क्लास व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? समझ में आ रहा है ना? मैकग्रेगर के दो थियरीज हैं, थियरी एक्स, थियरी वाई। तो theory Y is the foundation of supportive model, and theory X is related to autocratic model. Why? बताओ, फटाफट बताओ। Now you are in third year. Now tell me. Tell something. Why theory X is related to autocratic model? क्या होता है theory X में? Say something, class. Please unmute yourself and answer me. I am not calling your name. Please tell me. Anyone? Or if you want to write, you can write down in chat box. Kushal, tell me. समझ में आ रहा है? आर यू गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? तभी तो मुझे पता चलेगा आपको समझ में आ रहा है। यस, वाई ऑटोक्रेटिक मॉडल इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ थ्योरी एक्स और सपोर्टिव मॉडल इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ थ्योरी वाई। बताओ भाई फटाफट, राइट डाउन इन चैट बॉक्स। Nitin, tell me.
Ma'am, people working for this manager tend to motivate by fear and feel unappropriated.
Under which? Talking about
Under
which model?
X theory.
Because they are very lazy. They were lazy in the X theory. That's why we need to discuss here autocratic model. Because type of leader here. Now, what I'm saying? Okay, and you have given the अभी आपको बताया कि yes, under the supportive model, yes, you can apply theory Y, and theory X and theory Y is given by, both are given by McGregor XY theory, X and Y theory. Okay, so theory Y is the foundation of supportive model. You can see that like this. Why? They are not lazy type of employees. They do like to work. People like performing their job. So that's why we need to talk about the theory Y है वो supportive model. Model is an extension of supportive मॉडल। हर एक दूसरे का मॉडल जो है वो एक्सटेंशन है, लाइक एक्सटेंड फॉर्म है। तो कलोजियल मॉडल इज द बॉडी ऑफ द पर्सन हैविंग कॉमन पर्पस। So under the collegial model creates a favorable climate in the organization as the workers feel, okay, and that they are partners in the organization. So that's why you can welcome the solutions of the workers and saying, okay. So under the collegial model, the workers have job satisfaction ज़्यादा होगा, job involvement, job commitment, and also some degree of fulfillment also. They are satisfied more whenever they are working under collegial model. जहाँ पे जो अगर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में collegial model होगा, तो it means you can say that the managerial orientation under collegial model is a teamwork. Are you getting what I'm saying, class? मेरी आवाज क्लियर है ना? ये बहुत सिंपल था collegial model, ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है ये. मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Yes, you can write down in chat box if I am audible clearly. Okay, okay. So are you getting what I'm saying? Collegial model समझ में आ गया, supportive समझ में आ गया. It means collegial is the extension of the supportive model, and you can say that collegial model क्या होगा? Supportive model. Okay, okay, class. So this is about the custodial model, collegial model, supportive model. And also means the models of organizational behavior are closely linked with the human needs.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking down in between.
Okay, I'm not. Let's discuss tomorrow. If I'm not audible clearly, let's discuss tomorrow.
Sure,
Okay,
ma'am.
so we will discuss tomorrow. I think there is some network issue. I think so. So we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, I'll send you the like attendance link in the classroom. Okay, class, so that you all can fill the attendance link. Okay, so now I'm